Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was up 0.24% today. Good day. No changes to our signals. We're both green on our fast and slow for stock and green for fast and slow on the bond still. Today, very important piece of development has happened, and that is that the market is starting to broaden out in terms of its participation. So prior to the debt ceiling being resolved, we saw a lot of money going into really big tech companies that were driving the NASDAQ upward, driving the QQQ index upward also. And so what you're seeing is that, when the debt ceiling was happening, people were worried about money and looking at companies that had very high quality, very high cash flow, huge cash positions, kind of looking for survivability, I think, if there was a debt ceiling default. So now that we're seeing, the debt ceiling being resolved, we're seeing money going back into lots of different areas. Matter of fact, the small cap index was up over 2% today. And that's exactly what we need to see. And this is the big concern about having a narrow leadership, is that oftentimes that's kind of a topping point where things then fail. You need that breadth to come through to really see that. So I think this wasn't so much a topping point as worry about the debt ceiling. And now the breadth is coming back because the debt ceiling has been resolved. And that's a very good sign here. We're right at, near this 4,300 level at the S&P 500. I think that's a significant level. If we can break through that, we could really maybe go places. Got lots of problems down the road with potential inflation and recessionary issues that we can get back to talking to finally, which is, I think, going to be a healthy thing. But overall, right now, the market is going, in the right direction. It's been quite powerful here. And now we're seeing some motion in the breadth of the different types of stocks that are happening too. So that's a good thing. I think that, puts a little bit of a, foundation under this particular rally that we've been having really since, again, mid-October. Last year is when we hit our lows. And so a lot of people don't know this, but the market's been going up really, overall since then. Lots of ups and downs in there, but up overall. So anyway, look forward and see what's going to happen tomorrow. I think this is a very exciting time to see what's going to happen. Again, a week from now, the Federal Reserve will be meeting. We'll get to hear what they're going to talk about also. So I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.